by smiggle. Plus, don't question about the horrible blur.
Baby.
Guys, this is my new smiggle speaker. And it's very nice, seriously. But look at that light though. And it also got this. If you wanna get this and you have, and if you don't have, I don't want, I'm thinking what the fudge is. Battery is AAA plus, and it's sponsored by smiggle. That always happens, literally. Ouch! You saw nothing. These are the settings. Wait. This is on and off right there. Volume, if you put it there, right, equals full speed, right? And then if you put there, and then this one, I don't know. So that's all, guys. Bye. Hope you enjoyed the video.